We are now just 4 days away from a major interstate closure on the south side of Indianapolis. INDOT is going to be shutting down a 10-mile stretch of I-465 from I-70 to I-65 starting Friday night. It's going to be done in two phases, first the eastbound lanes and then the westbound lanes. During those closures, traffic will be forced to detour onto city streets, some of which are already under construction and seeing some problems of their own. Our David McAnally tells us tonight why some neighbors along Keystone Avenue are so concerned.
On South Keystone,
a Lincoln Town car had came flying up behind me.
Sarah was about to pull into her driveway.
I thought he was going to slow down, and he did not, and creamed the back of my car and caused it to crunch in the trunk,
doing damage. And what was the cause of that?
Speeding.
Speeding in this cone zone, part of the project to rehab Keystone here south of I-465 on the south side.
We have heard a lot of brakes from people trying to stop on sudden turns or anything like that.
And for some, the brakes came too late along this small stretch. A child on the school bus taken to the hospital.
Lady come up flying in, she was speeding as well and crushed into the back of the bus and caused the back glass to break and completely totaled her truck out as well.
Very concerned, the bus driver from Perry Township. She kept her cool, was really concerned about the kids.
I worry about the safety of not only my grandchildren, but other kids around the area too.
His grandkids ride their bikes and electric cars on this lawn near where the wrecks are happening. 5 to 6 crashes. Sarah Northern says they worry about a car jumping a curb, hitting a child, and the daycare teacher says she's seen close calls.
I'm waiting for the next one. What kind of accident is it going to be? Could it be a fatality or not?
Sarah's car is still in the repair shop, and there's unfinished business in her case.
Here's the wheel cover from the 1980s Lincoln Town car, maroon in color, that slammed into the back of her car here in front of the house. That car just took off. She's hoping they'll find out who was driving.
Slow down. Slow down and be respectful of people turning in their drives, the construction workers. I mean, there could be something horrible that happens if they don't.
She fears the cone zone could get more dangerous with I-465 project forcing more traffic onto local streets. David McAnally, Channel 13 Eyewitness News.